I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're back in beautiful Weston Village here in Toronto, and we have an outstanding home for you at 51 Joseph Street. Please take this tour with us and find out why this is such an exceptional home for you. The location here is superb. Weston Village is one of the highlights of Toronto. It's an historic community and there's amenities that surround it. In this particular case, you've got the TTC right on Church. There's Elm Park right at the end of the road, and you could literally walk to the Up Go Express, which is a fantastic line that could take you to Pearson Airport to Union Station in 15 minutes in beautiful comfort. This is an excellent location also in terms of architecture. Some of the finest homes are found right here in Weston. If you don't know, you should. And come and have a look. You'll really love this house and the area around it. What a backyard. It's an oasis in the city when you consider just how much property you have here. You have options here to work with, considering that there's a walkout from the kitchen at the rear. You can have a beautiful entertaining area on the patio. You could put a garden suite at the rear here, and there's additional parking at the back. It's a heck of a yard to work with. Like they say, they don't make land like they used to. 51 Joseph Street has a private drive at the front of the home that can easily fit 3 vehicles. But the bonus here is this laneway access at the rear of the home that can add at least 2 more cars, and you have a beautiful access to the rear of the home as well as additional storage. Lot of possibilities here that don't exist too often in the city to have at least 5-car parking. With the exceptional backyard of this property and the additional access via the laneway behind the home, you could potentially build a garden suite, which the City of Toronto is permitting now, much like the one behind us, that can add additional revenue at the rear of the home as well. When you enter this home, you're taken aback by how open the main floor is. Part of that is because the original front porch has been converted into a sunroom. It's insulated and they've got new siding. That leads over to the living and dining room that have a beautiful view of the backyard. The sunroom addition has beautiful large picture windows. In fact, the main floor has upgraded thermal windows. In addition to that, you won't be struggling to find a place to put your jackets and your boots. There's 2 closets in the foyer right as you enter. This charming home has a beautiful place to entertain on the main floor. The dining room is a formal room that overlooks a gorgeous backyard and is south facing, so there's lots of natural light. In addition, the living room has a wood burning fireplace insert. If you love to cozy up to a good book and have family around you in the evenings, this is ideal. This home has a lovely family-sized kitchen that's ideal for entertaining with tons of counter space. There's a breakfast area, a large window that overlooks the backyard, which is a rare entity for Toronto. And in addition to that, the kitchen breakfast area walks out to a patio that leads to the backyard. Excellent for entertaining both in summer and winter and beyond. The kitchen is very versatile and useful. The upper level has hardwood floors. The bedroom have upgraded windows in all of them, and there's plenty of natural light here as well. All this serviced by a large 4-piece bath on this level as well. Although some people are inclined to look at interior upgrades, the real expensive upgrades are the mechanical ones, and they're available to you here, so it's move-in condition. From the roof shingles, thermal windows that have been upgraded. In addition to that, the front has been re-sided and insulated, and you've got an upgraded heat pump and high-efficiency furnace. The big cost items have been taken care of for you here already. The lower level of this home offers a great deal of flexibility. There's built-in shelving for additional storage. There's a Murphy bed that's included as well with the home. There's a full bathroom, and there's plumbing in the laundry that can allow for a second kitchen. All this with above-grade windows. In addition to that, there's a side entrance that makes this level easily accessible. It's perfect for potential income or extended family. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for taking this tour with us of this beautiful Weston Village home here in Toronto at 51 Joseph Street. From upgrades, potential income from inside and outside of the home, a beautiful lot and a great location, there's a lot here to take in. So, if you'd like to see the home yourself, please contact us at info@matteirealty.ca or call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. or you can visit this home and take the virtual tour and view all the images at matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei. Thank you so much again for taking this tour. Have a great day.